Hello everyone. What if you could build a complete full stack web app without writing a single line of code? Yep, you heard it right. I'm talking about authentication, real database connection, everything. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can build a to-do full stack website where user can sign up, add their to-dos, filter based on some categories, everything just by prompting a simple AI tool. The tool I'm going to show you today is called Dualite. The link of this website I will put in the description. You can sign up and use this website. In this interface, you can change the frameworks and languages like TypeScript and JavaScript. I'm letting it as TypeScript and React. I'm okay with it. In this interface, you can see option for attaching image. Maybe you want to make your website look something some different website. You can attach the image. Here you can import the Figma file of the design, how the website should look like. Here you can add some API specification. Here you can add project related rules, and the main part, you can add or connect Superbase. Those who don't know what Superbase is the open source platform for simplifying adding features like user authentication, data storage, real-time capabilities to your application. This is what you can do from this website itself. Let me sign in. You can authorize your Dualite from here. Here you can create your project name. For now I'm letting it as to do and giving a password. I'm changing it as Indian location as I'm currently doing it in India. Let the project be green. Then you just need to sync and select, and that's it. You can see it is successfully connected. Now let me add the prompt to make the website, and this is the prompt. Let's start. Now this will build the website. You can see it is processing and doing some work. Let us wait what it is building. You can see it is building the components using terminal to make everything run, install dependencies, everything. Let us wait for a bit and let's see what this website can build. Oh wow, it's already done. Okay, apply changes. Changes applied. Let's start. Get started. Okay, I have to check my email. Okay, you can see a confirmation email has sent to me. This is from Dualite Development Environment Authentication Successful. Wow, nice. Okay, let us log in. Oh, nice, 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 nice. You can see you can add new to-dos here. Let me go for a walk. Urgency medium. Okay, no, let it high. Okay, today. Nice. You can also edit due date. Maybe we also can add the timing. Okay, let's see. Add the timing. You can also do this. Let's see what it can do for you. You can see it is doing some Superbase integration operation. That means it is doing database operation. Nice. Okay, it's completed. Let us delete this and add a new. Oh, nice, nice. Go for a walk. Then timing details morning. Okay, create. Oh, nice. This is medium. Okay, so it is today or tomorrow. Okay, let's add some more tasks. Maybe create a video. Create a video. Okay. Okay. You can see. Oh, nice. Let's see. Oh, wow. Wow. It is also able to do this kind of things. Nice. By the way, you can also publish from here, deploy from here. You can connect with Netlify, and also you can download the source code as zip file. By the way, those who are curious how the code is like, you can check the code from here. It is well written, as I can see. Nice. They have segregated different things in different folders, context files, auth context, package.json. Yeah, pretty good. Maybe you can connect your GitHub to add these files. Okay, so there you have it, a full stack to do application with database authentication, everything from a single text prompt. If you want to try this on yourself, click the first link in the description to get started with Dualite. If you found this video helpful, please hit like button and subscribe for more such video. Let me know in the comments that what website you wanna build with this platform. Thanks for watching.